Let's take a look at a few ways we can use layouts in Site Builder. I'm going to start by editing a marketing page. This marketing page is using an embedded flexible layout, which rolls up to the landing page template. You can see this by clicking the top node in the outline and looking at the property pane on the right. An embedded flexible layout allows me to add or remove or move any modules defined in the template. So let's add and move some modules now. Now that I've made some changes to the structure of this page, I can save it as a preset layout. This will allow me to use it as a starting point for other new pages, and make it an option for other pages to switch to that share the same parent template. Let's see how this works now. I'll go make a new page and select the landing page template, and we'll see that the new layout that we just saved now shows up as an option for a fixed layout. Before we do this, let's take a look at the structure of the layout in the layout editor itself. I'll click on the Layouts list view in the left navigation pane and find the layout that we just created. This outline view shows the exact structure and order of modules for any page using this layout. We can also set explicit defaults here in the layout. Let's edit this layout and set some new defaults for it now. Now that we've finished editing, let's make a new page and see how it looks. As you can see, our new page already has all the modules that were selected and arranged in the layout, and with the new defaults that we defined. If we had created this page directly from the template as an embedded layout, we would still need to choose many of the modules and arrange them for our page. I can now edit the content for these modules for this specific page, but I can't add new modules or move them around within the page because I'm using a preset layout. I could also create other pages that will be bound to the exact same layout, and if I change the layout, it will change the arrangement of all of the pages using it. Let's show how this works now. First, I'll launch a preview window of this page for visual reference. And then from the link in the Page Editor property pane, I'll open the Layout Editor. Let's change the order of a couple modules now. Once I publish these changes to the layout, let's go back to the preview window that I left open for our page. When I refresh the page, you'll see that the change to the layout has now changed the arrangement of the modules for this page. And it would do the same for any other pages that also use this layout. This can be an efficient way to centrally change the page structure for a set of pages that all share the same structure but have different content. Another way to play with layouts is just simply switch back and forth between an embedded layout and a preset layout in the page editor. Let me show you this now. We'll go back and edit our new page again, and you'll see we have a Convert to Embedded option that we can use. This will switch our context back to have all the options available from our template. We could do some more module rearrangement here in the page editor now. When we're done, we could save this as a second preset layout. Using the Switch Layout button, we can now switch between these two layouts easily without reauthoring any content. Any other pages that roll up to the same template can also switch their layouts to this new option without reauthoring their content. As shown in this video, layouts can help speed up page creation process by choosing all of the modules needed and setting specific defaults for a particular page type. They can also be used to manage the structure of multiple pages in a centralized fashion.